Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Latest beautiful ideas and styling. Looks like so different and latest beautiful ideas and design styles, like different and latest styling and bags, styles and beautiful color, gorgeous pattern. And here are some beautiful crochet handbags pattern, most popular and latest ideas. So I hope you like it. Different and beautiful designs like handbags and handbags and styles, looks, style and designing. Crocheting and by crocheting handbags looks vibrant color and different beautiful designs and latest ideas. Here are some creative crochet handbag ideas to inspire your next project and latest beautiful looks and beautiful patchwork. Combine different crochet squares, each with a unique pattern, all colored, to create a patchwork style handbags. And design a bag with a buttoned flap closer for added security and style. And use bright rainbow colors to crochet a trendy crossbody bag that adds a pop of color to any outfit. So guys, please keep sharing.